pro tip. How do you get that? Look, how do rocks get in the dryer? And but look, folks, when you grab this little thing here and you pull her up like that, the rocks are still in there. This thing isn't grabbing it. Oops. See? Now it won't go. Now it won't go back in. But you're only going to be able to do this when the construction workers are across the tenant doing something or whatever. You can grab his air hose in his little chunk of repair tube that he was working with, and he's not going to get it back, obviously. And then when the tenants, when your neighbors aren't there, wow, look at that. Whoa, I don't know. Let's try it. When your neighbors aren't there, you can send it out the door to their stoop. Whoa! Oh my goodness, that's dangerous. Oh my goodness. Wait a second. Let's see where it's shooting. Whoa, that is not good. Let's get to the source here. But folks, it does a good job. If you catch the contractor and his air hose, or you can pay the air duct cleaner dude some money to come along and do this. There's people that do this. Yes, there is. They do. And get her cleaned out that way. But yeah, folks. And there you have it, folks. And there, share it with somebody. Like, subscribe, tell everybody about it. Because you should know, because all that goo-goo gunk drops right down into there and goes to the floor. And yeah, there's more there, and there's more to this. I'm gonna spare you the bore, but that's what it is, folks. Try it. You'll be surprised. It does work. I don't know, I guess it's about a hand's length away. You put a little hole, the air hose. But the best part about it is that before you do it, we'll leave you with this, folks. Subscribe. And here's where, well, you'll know what this is going. It's in a load shop. See what I mean, folks, when I say it's a little bit more to it? There's a little bit of a crevice in there, and yes, everybody's dryer is like this, folks. There is a little spot where it can... Whoa, did you see that? Oh, my goodness. There's everybody's dryer. Whoa. See, the neighbor's going to be pissed off now. I'm sorry, guys. But everybody's dryer is like this. Yeah, it's in your house, people. You're like, oh, it ain't. I'm like, yeah, it is. So, this is one reason people go to the laundromat all the time. I just send it over to the neighbor's house. They don't even know. They ain't there. But just like that, folks. Yep. It is absolute. I forget what that meant. It's an Aloja!